Alright, so you three lovely ladies just did Quantum EFT for the Soul workshop. And Evie, you've done this for the second time.
Yes.
So what was your experience of this for yourself?
Well, it was really good. Actually, doing it twice, there's a marked difference between that, because you do so much growth in between. When you do it the second time, even though it's the same course, you're able to get even more out of it because of the growth in between. That was possibly the best thing for me.
And you've got obviously different experiences in the past lives and in the Quantum EFT sessions.
Yeah, so it was just like you dig deep the first time, and then the time in between allows you to dig deeper the second time.
Because you've also been doing the Transform Your Life program in between, so there's been lots of clearing.
In between, yes.
Well done. And Lorena, your first time at doing this workshop, what was that like for you?
Well, oh my goodness. It was really hard to put into words. It was amazing. I think that it's probably a very fair thing to say that this work that you're doing, Jenny, is life-changing. And not only that, it happens in such a short time. I really see it as healing of the future. It's quite amazing. Yeah. I would just say anyone who's thinking about doing it, just do it. It's extraordinary.
And you've got a lot of profound messages and experiences for yourself, both in Quantum EFT and in the past life regressions.
I have, yes. Yeah, your the way you guide people through it and the way you teach us to guide people through it and use our own uniquenesses is really valuable, and it's encouraging. And your formula is it's great. It's really hard to put into words. Yeah.
You're still all a little spaced out, aren't you? You're not really grounded in 3D. We've just come out of past life regressions. But well done.
It's great.
Yeah. And Anastasia, what was that like for you?
I thought it was fantastic. Yeah. Initially, I was a little bit overwhelmed. Just doing it and sharing. I think with others. I've seen this before as being a bit private with
your past life stuff.
But it actually felt good sharing it with others and finding some similarities and I really enjoyed being part of the team and working together. And also, I've had past lives before, but it was more of it was coming out, and I think whatever I needed to know now came for me.
And there were just different aspects of those past lives that you hadn't had before that came out.
Yeah, and so I felt there was more healing, and it. I don't know if it closed off everything, but because there could be a continuation of more to come, more digging as well. But I do feel there's been a lot of healing over this weekend, and I've let a lot of things go.
And you've learned a lot more about yourself and your own powers as well.
Yeah.
So well done.
Yeah, it was great.
Thank you all.
And I look forward to doing it again as well.
Yeah. Excellent. I look forward to having you again.